Alright friends, now let's move on to background colors. When we want to assign a background color to an element in Tailwind CSS, we use BG prefix followed by the color name and the shade value. As you see, the shade starts from 50 and go up to 950. Additionally, we can also control the opacity of these background colors. For example, as you see in the example, after the slash, it's put 75, so the opacity is 75. Here, after the slash, 50, so the opacity is 50. We don't know opacity yet, but we know it from the CSS. So, if we want a lighter appearance, we can decrease the number after the slash. Okay, so let's write some code and see it. I delete this, or I just give 1, inside the div tag, I copy, I cut this p tag and I paste it. Okay, I need to a few div. Okay, I paste it. After that, I come here, I say class, so BG pink, for example, 600. The opacity is 100%. Okay, if I don't write anything, the opacity is 100%. Okay, so for this div, I open my class, I say BG cyan 600, for example, and then for this div, BG zinc 400. Okay, with IntelliSense, as you see, it's easy, right? I save it and I refresh. You see, the first one is BG pink. The second one, BG cyan. The third one is BG amber. Okay. See you in the next lesson.